Not all storms come to break you. Some arrive to strengthen you, if you're willing to flow with them, to listen for the quiet lessons hidden in each drop. Some come gently, like spring rain, awakening the parts of you that forgot how to grow. We all have dreams that get buried, passions we set aside, pieces of ourselves we learn to live without. But without dreams, without hope, life becomes stagnant, colorless, dull. Spring rain is nature's way of reminding us growth is always possible. Renewal is always near. The clouds don't gather in anger, they gather in promise. Mist dances across the hills. Yet still, the first drops fall, and the earth exhales. You stand in silence, letting it all wash over you. The rain doesn't rush the roots. It doesn't force the petals to bloom. It simply arrives, soft, steady, certain. This is your permission to grow slowly, to breathe deeply, to begin again. Inhale hope and exhale what no longer serves you. Let it go, the doubts, the pressure, the voice that says you're not good enough. Like the rain, you are allowed to pause, to rest, to trust in the unseen. Even when it seems like nothing is happening, transformation is taking place beneath the surface. Think of the dreams you tucked away last season, the passions you once believed in, the sparks of inspiration that faded quietly in the dark. The rain helps you find them. To return, to remember, to believe again. You don't have to bloom for the world to see, because growth isn't always visible. It's not always loud. Sometimes your only task is to stay rooted, to hold space for what's to come. And when the storm clears, when the clouds finally part, light will pour through the cracks. The world will shimmer and you will feel it too. A soft awakening, a quiet becoming, a renewal of life from the inside out. So let the rain come. Let it cleanse. Let it remind you. Healing doesn't have to be loud. Growth doesn't have to be perfect. And you, just as you are enough. You are allowed to bloom in your own time. So trust the process. Embrace the quiet, remember your dreams, and nurture your hope, because the softest rains bring the greenest blooms.